Athletic training is a healthcare profession, and we focus on prevention, diagnosing, recovery, and rehabilitation of injuries. Right away at a young age, I knew that I wanted to still be involved with sports and help people, and athletic training kind of hits all those points. There was no other programs that I wanted to apply to. It was always NDSU. The NDSU athletic training program really sets you up for success from the combination of hands-on, high-level sports for the clinical sites and the supportive faculty. They're not just knowledgeable about the information, they care to know about you as a person. They just really care, and that shows. Some examples of the hands-on that I've gotten to experience is I worked with the NDSU football team last season. I got to travel to every game, and I was able to travel for the National Championship game, which was an experience that I will never get again, probably. The program is very fast-paced. Being a grad student, there is a lot expected of you. You're learning so much material in a short amount of time, and you have that clinical aspect of where you have like a part-time job working with athletics, getting that experience. The program has helped me with my ability to feel confident and comfortable with diagnosing and taking care of patients. I'd say it's very rewarding working with athletes. You see them at their highest of highs and lowest of lows. You get to work with them through the recovery and motivate them, push them to come out in the end better than when they started.